What's up, YouTube? It's Next Gen Outdoors. Okay, we're gonna go check trips again. So, alright. Okay. I hope the ranger's here. If it's not, then no, I don't want to drive the racer. So, lock the door. Alright, guys, my luck. Alright. Don't mind this place, it's a disaster. This one's not too bad. Alright. Alright, boys. Let's get some heat up in here. It's hot. It's hot. It's cold in here. Okay. There's no sled behind me, right? There is. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, I know I haven't posted in forever, but it's because I've been busy. I haven't had no time, but once summertime hits, I'll be able to, do it a lot more. There we go. Back here. Whoa. It's cold. Very cold. I cannot believe I did not get stuck. Alright. Actually, I think we're gonna get more snow, so, I don't know. I think we'll just drive the Ranger around. If we don't get stuck. Big bump. Yeah. Okay. I truly don't even think I'd go out of two-wheel drive. Man, I'm a two-wheel drive. Oh, there's no way. There's no way. Hold on, guys. I don't think much of that. Yeah, I wasn't. That's better. Okay. People got me shop. That was yesterday. Okay. We're back on the road. No, we're not. Surprised I'm not stuck yet. Well, I'll jinx myself. all, but hopefully sometime I'll be able to get the razor out and get a video out with the razor, and we'll be catching coons more. Summertime's like perfect time for catching coons because it's warm, and like right now it's too cold. The traps have so much snow on top of them, they're hard to, I don't know, smell. But that and a couple other things, and like I've been slacking on the videos. The last 3 videos haven't been that good. I haven't really put that much work into them. That's just because I've been so busy. Not really busy and all, just with school and stuff. Like I've obviously had school before I started videoing, but it's just a pain. And hopefully when I get my truck back, that's why I'm driving this again today. Hopefully when I get my truck back, I can get my truck fixed, because I'm working on it. You guys are crooked? Kind of. Not too bad now. I gotta put rockers and cab corners on my truck. And then July we do a car show, so that's during school or just before school starts back up during the summer. So I have a long time until summer, obviously. But just before school starts back up, we have a car show. And I can show you guys my black truck. And we can do some videos about that. I don't have nothing to video about it yet. But yeah, we're gonna do some ice fishing this weekend and stuff. Yeah, ice fishing. No, we got ice fishing Saturday and Sunday. So that's good. Actually, stuff worth the shop. I'm gonna get my stuff for ice fishing this week. I should run the store and get me some stuff. I don't need nothing. I need gas. Turn right here. But yeah, I will get back to you guys when I get there. Alright, it's right up here. Pretty close. We're gonna stop here at the barn and get that out of there. That truck's gotta be home. Alright, boys. Boom, I got it. This. Hold on. This. And this. And we'll be set. Alright. You guys want to see my black truck? Set that down right there. Okay. Here she is. This is inside the barn. One of the barns. There's 4. This here International, and this is my black truck. So, do you guys want to start up? Alright, we're just gonna do it. Alright, this is a cold start at that. What side do you guys want to be on? Hold up. Okay, you guys a solid start up. Alright. guy's height. It's been a long time. It's been let everything get Alright, here we go. That cold? Well, there's your guys' startup. It's cold. It's like, again, 20 degrees. It should be warmer than that. There's your startup. Obviously, it didn't start. Nothing shut off. But it's 5.9 Cummins. This is one of a million trucks. I've seen International. That's an older truck. One of the older trucks. My dad actually just bought this one. This is my dad's, actually, soon to be mine. White, been painted. K5 Blazer. And then, that's the tractor. This is Tommy's truck, my dad's buddy's. It's got a supercharger and stuff. It's supercharged. Obviously, the truck that doesn't want to start is mine. It's got a 5.9 Cummins. This is my grandpa's truck. These are a bunch of cars, old cars. This is my grandpa's Ford truck. He blew it up. Casual Ford. Get the pole. Alright, I'll take you guys down to my barn. Take you guys back down to the other barn. Show you that. This is the Ranger. My truck's, oh, that's slick. My truck's obviously at home. I'm just not thinking smart. I wasn't thinking straight. And left it there. Oh, it's warm in here. It's good. I'll get back to you when we get over there. Alright, we're here. Trailers. Another rental house. Sell. Turn. Alright, we're at the other barn. I don't think, what else? There's only two of them. Two of them in here, I think. Alright. The door. 3. Not bad. You don't mind the space, it's a disaster. This is my dad's. This was my dad's. One of the million quads. This is my dad's Blazer. LS. For all you people, car guys. It's a LS with a. It's a LS 444. Big block with a 2650 millimeter supercharger. It pushes about 12 to 1300 to the crank, so about 900 horsepower to the rear tires. It's got soft top. Yeah, that's about it. This is the other Blazer. This is a I think it's an 80. I'm not gonna say it because then I'm gonna get rough on the comments. This is a first gen. This is a second gen. This is a first gen Blazer. The whole topper comes off. This one isn't. I like this one here better than I like this one. But this one doesn't. This one's just a stock small block. That one over there is just a Ford. Obviously, it's a stock Ford. This is my little quad. One of the million things. This is Jax's. This is actually Jax's 3-wheeler. There's another one of my 3-wheelers, which is all torn apart. One of the 3-wheelers at the house, in the other barn. Actually, the last barn. Paddles for the racer, dirt bike tires, Tony, do not mind this place. It's a disaster. This is probably the worst just because I've been moving stuff in here. But this is the man cave. Yeah. There's deer heads everywhere. So I'll give you guys this 360. But yeah, she's nice in here. Actually, while I'm here, I'm gonna take something down and get back to you guys. Alright, that's all I got to show you through here. Okay. Hop in the Ranger, and I think we're gonna end the video. I don't know. There's so much snow. There's actually not as much snow as there used to be. I guess I'll drive back there and just show YouTube what there is, but this is for you, Kendon and Trent. I'll drive back here to show you. Alright, boys. This is the junkyard. This is actually the White House straight behind me. Is where I used to live before I moved. This is the junkyard. To be honest with you, Kendon and Trenton, the only place we can do it is right there. Obviously, this trailer is not junk. All the cars in here are. Whoa. But yeah. Here's another barn. Another one of the barns. Oh, do not start me in there. Oh god, no. Yeah. There was one demolition derby car over there. Cars stacked on top of cars. Cars that have been destroyed. Alright, boys. I think we're gonna end the video here. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you boys this next one when we're ice fishing.